winners. Today, we proudly explained how OPO investors achieved 784% profit in 15 months with the Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited stock. Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited is India's leading connectivity and communication solutions company. We recommended buying this stock on 6th July 2020 at 10:10 am, and the suggested price was near or below rupees 4 and rupees 3. We had mentioned the target price between 5 to 8 Indian rupees. We have achieved all our targets successfully and now obtaining a price of rupees 35 and 35 paise. We acquired it under our suggested time 3:30 pm of 30th September 2021. Be a part of these kinds of achievements and you can join our premium services and know the manner of the successes in the stock market. Go with the given link below in the description box. To experience some more relatable recommendation videos, you can subscribe to our Only Profit You Academy channel and stay updated always. Would you please share our videos with those interested in investing or trading in the stock market? It can be a game changer for them.